I got you a killer deal. I just discovered this right now. I was just going through the Craftsman deals and just discovered this. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. We can buy more tools like this. Make sure to review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply for my subscribers and likes. Guys, we got the Craftsman radio and the kit, the 4 amp hour kit for 99 bucks, guys. Could you believe that? I think that's a glitch. You guys might want to check it out. Alright, so this is the kit, right? This is $99. This is the bare bones starter kit. 4 amp hour and a charger. You can select your free tool. So you go right here to the free tool. You can select the angle grinder. This is the V20 4.5 20 volt trigger switch cordless angle grinder. That's a good deal. You got a V20 20 volt 6.5 cordless compact circular saw. You got a 20 volt cordless random orbital sander. You got variable speed oscillator multi-tool kit. Check this out, guys. You got that radio. This one's $199. You guys are gonna get it for free. Check it out. Get it, guys. Get it while it lasts. Chances are they're gonna fix this. I don't know if this is gonna go away at 12 o'clock at night or not. Go get them, guys. I'll leave you guys the link to the battery deal down in the description section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply for my subscribers and likes. And let me just show you guys the cart. So let's go to the cart. All right. So we got $99 for this one. Store pickup. Obviously, you're gonna have to find it in your store. That's another thing. Same thing with this one. Store pickup. Check this out. Free, guys. $199. Free. Total price, if I can get the total. Estimated total price, $99. You save $199. Guys, go get them before they fix it. We'll see you guys in the next one.